Struggling with weak, thinning hair, watching strands of hair fall out every day can be frustrating. But don't worry, because today, I'm sharing powerful, natural hair strengthening tips that actually work. Goodbye to hair breakage and hello to strong, healthy, beautiful hair. Why does hair become weak? Before we get into the solutions, let's quickly understand why your hair is getting weak. Some common reasons include poor diet, lack of vitamins and proteins. Excessive heat styling damages hair structure. Harsh chemical products strip natural oils. Overwashing leads to dryness and breakage. Stress and lack of sleep weakens hair follicles. But the good news is, with the right natural remedies and hair care habits, you can strengthen your hair and promote faster growth. Remedy number 1. The Ultimate Strengthening Oil Blend. A powerful hair oil can deeply nourish your scalp and strengthen your hair from the roots. Here's an easy DIY hair oil blend you can make at home. What you need: 2 tablespoons coconut oil, deeply nourishes and prevents breakage. 1 tablespoon castor oil, strengthens hair follicles and promotes growth. 1 tablespoon onion juice, reduces hair fall and boosts regrowth. Few drops of rosemary essential oil, improves scalp circulation. How to use: mix all ingredients well. Warm the oil slightly and massage into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it on overnight or for at least 1 hour before washing. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Remedy number 2. Strengthening hair mask. If your hair feels weak, brittle, or dry, this DIY hair mask will restore its strength and shine. What you need: 1 ripe banana, deeply conditions and prevents breakage. 2 tablespoon yogurt, reduces dandruff and nourishes scalp. 1 tablespoon honey, locks in moisture and strengthens strands. 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, strengthens hair and prevents frizz. How to use: blend all ingredients into a smooth paste. Apply evenly from scalp to hair strands. Leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes, then rinse with mild shampoo. Use once a week for soft, shiny, and stronger hair. Pro tips for stronger hair. Want maximum results? Follow these expert hair strengthening tips. Eat a hair-friendly diet. Biotin-rich foods like eggs, nuts, and spinach. Use a silk pillowcase, reduces friction and prevents breakage. Limit heat styling, avoid excessive blow drying and straightening. Stay hydrated, drinking enough water keeps your scalp healthy. Be gentle while brushing. Use a wide tooth comb to prevent hair loss. Now that you know these amazing natural remedies, which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, like this video to support Welvabex. Share this with your friends and family who need hair care tips. Subscribe to Welvabex for more natural beauty and hair care tips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.